Hi, honeys, it's Michelle. I am here because I want to show you this new Stitch Fix box that I just got. Is there anything as exciting as a Stitch Fix box? I think not. Okay, so here's what it looks like. This is my fourth Stitch Fix box, and I have to say at this point they are my favorite clothing subscription box. As many of you know by now, it is $20 a month styling fee. They send you 5 items that your stylist has picked for you. It's free shipping, and you can send anything that you don't want back for free. What you do decide to keep, that $20 gets subtracted from it. And if you keep everything in the box, there's a 25% discount also on top of the $20 off. My stylist, Lauren, left this message in here. Hello, Michelle. I hope this note finds you well. Okay, first, I wanted to address your question. I currently do not style men's, but I hope to down the line. I will keep you updated. Thanks for asking. That said, I see you are looking to ease into the fall months. Ease in? Girl, I'm diving in. I'm so excited. It's my first fall in years. So I've included some new pieces for you in this fix that I can't wait to get your thoughts on. First, I included a very similar dress to the one you enjoyed earlier this month, but it's made by Collective Concepts. I'm curious to hear what you think of this fit. I have also included a new styled piece for you by Mix by 41 Hawthorn. It is super comfy and casual. So I can't wait to hear if this is something you would like to receive more of. And lastly, I did include a fun cardigan by Lety&Me, as you can never go wrong with a cardigan as you enter the fall months. Cheers, Lauren. So before I get started with the clothes, I just wanted to say I've had a couple people send me messages and say that they want to see Brad doing Stitch Fix. So we will be starting that very soon. Probably, I think we're going to order it soon, within the next week or two. So probably in about a month, you'll start seeing him trying on clothes for you guys. That's too bad that I can't work with Lauren, but I guess it is what it is, right? So I'm sure that they have good stylists in the men's department as well. We will find out. All right, let's get started. Here's the first item. This is by the brand Absolutely, and it's got white along the bottom of the sleeve. So this is called Markle Crewneck Pullover in black in a 2X by Absolutely, and it's $38. Sorry, I don't know who that was calling, but how rude. I'm doing a video. Okay. For me personally, this top is too dressy. I don't know what I would wear it to. It feels short on the arms. This is the most irritating thing in the world, but I have a very short torso and really long arms and legs, and so everything that's long sleeved is too short for me, which sucks. Now that I'm trying to get fall and winter clothes, I'm going to be reminded of that now. Being in Florida for so long, I forgot all about these long arms of mine, how hard it is to find things that fit right. So, yeah, I want stuff to go down to about here, you know? Okay, on to the next item. It's nice though, it's soft. I love the cut of the neck, I will say that. So, this is the Clementa Embroidery Chambray knit top. Here's a close-up view of the fabric on it. So it's got these little, can you see that? Here. So that's cute, right? I like how it's got the little embroidery on it. Now it's not true embroidery. It's kind of feels like it's just, yeah, because see, it's not sewn in there. It's just got that embroidery feel to it. But I do really like it. I like the colorless color. And it's got 3/4 sleeves, so we don't have to worry about these long arms of mine. And it's got the cuff here. It's really cozy too. So I like this one a lot. It's $48 and the brand is Papermoon. Okay, up next is this cardigan. It's got this nice little detail here with buttons and so here you can see how long it is. This tank top is mine, so it's not part of the box. I felt like if I put it over the last shirt I had on, it would kind of interfere with you being able to see this. It says dark purple. To me, it's kind of like a Merlot color, like a red wine color. I really like the color a lot. This is one of my favorite colors. I like how it's so long too. Okay, I wanted to show you the detail on the bottom. Isn't that beautiful? This is rayon and polyester. Did you see that the sleeves are long enough for me? Here's where they touch when my arms are down, is to here, which for me is perfect. I have to say, not only do I really like this cardigan, I really like it with this tank top. I couldn't have picked it out better myself. I don't know. I'm in a weird mood. You're going to have to bear with me again. I've been having a lot of strange emotional days lately. So, it's the Harlan Pointelle detail cardigan in dark purple in a 2X. It's $38. $38? That's it? Okay. And the brand is Lety&Me. Girl. Lauren? Wow. I don't know. I like this one too. What's up with this box? It's really hitting it out of the park again. Look at this. Perfect length. I love these stripes. Love the detail on the arms. It's got like this fun, I'm wearing my boyfriend's pullover and I'm going to go to his football game or something kind of feel, right? It's like this cozy fall feel. This is the Kallon brushed knit hoodie. The brand is Mixed by 41 Hawthorn. It's in gray and a 2X and it's $38. So here's how it looks on. Oh, you guys, it's got a front pocket. I didn't even notice when I pulled it out and I just immediately went like this and there's a front pocket. It's happiness in a hoodie. I'm just saying, when they don't have this front pocket, not so cozy. But look, here I am. I'm at that football game I was just talking about. Or in my case, a hockey game. Okay, this next item is the penny printed dress by Collective Concepts. It's in a dark green in a 2X and it's $78. So it's got this belt that comes with it. You can tie in a bow or a knot or whatever you like. The waist itself is elastic. I still have my leggings on. Then again, if I were to wear this dress, I probably would leave my leggings on anyway. Who am I kidding? This dress has lining in it, but only on the bottom. It doesn't have lining in it on the top. I don't really care for the fit of it. When I sit down, it feels tight around my belly. I know I got a big belly. I'm working on it, but apparently it takes a while or something because it's just not falling off overnight like it really should, you know? I've got very broad shoulders and it feels tight right here. And then I do really like a V-neck, but I like a little bit deeper of a V-neck or maybe a little bit lower of a back or something. It just feels very restrictive up here and then around the belly as well. I'm not a fan of the fit of it. I like the way it, like on a hanger, I would like the way it looks. I just don't like the way it looks or fits me, the way it feels. For those of you watching, in case you're thinking of buying this dress for yourself, do you ever have that happen where you see a bug flying around and you swat it and there's nothing there? Yeah, I do. But it doesn't have pockets. But I think if you don't have shoulders as broad as mine and you have a stomach that's a little smaller or maybe hips that are a little narrower, because these are some truck driving hips right here, you would be fine in this dress. It would fit just fine. I just have that kind of shape that doesn't quite work for the cut of this dress. Now, if it was stretchy material, which it's not, it'd probably feel fine. So there's nothing wrong with the dress. It's just not the fit for me. So the total for all 5 items in the box is $240. If I were to buy everything in the box, I would get a 25% discount, which would be $60 off, bringing the total to $180. The styling fee, which I already paid, is $20. That would be removed from the cost of the box. So the order total would be $160. That's really not bad for 5 pieces of clothing, I don't think. What do you think? Tell me. I want to know. So I have 3 days to decide what I think of this box. Actually, probably 2 because it arrived yesterday. I just didn't open it till today. Gosh, that might be that's going to be a hard decision. I really like 3 of the items, so it's going to be hard to pick. I really liked this Hawthorn hoodie. Just so soft too. Very soft and cozy. You know what else something like this would be great for? Going to the movies. Ooh. I feel like the pocket in the front, it'd be perfect for the movies. Your hands get cold, just throw your hands in a little pocket. The hoodie, your head gets cold, because I get cold a lot in the movie theater. So something like this would be absolutely perfect for me. And I have nothing remotely like it. I don't even know if I have any hoodies, because I've been living in the jungle, the jungle of Florida for so long. This cardigan is another one that I really, really like. And now Brad liked both of these too. And he really liked the cardigan with this top I put it with. It was kind of nice together, right? It was like putting it with that color, putting these together. It's such a fall feel. And he even liked it with the leggings. He said, that actually looks nice together. But even like some dark jeans or something in the winter, if I put it with like a cream colored tank top or light gray or something, or even navy, that would be beautiful as well. This one's probably going to stay here in my closet as well. And then the one that I'm on the fence about is this one. I don't have anything like it with the embroidery on it, and I think it's really cute. I genuinely do love this shirt. Once again, my stylist has done an amazing job, and I'm really happy with what she's been doing. I can't wait for the next box. What did you guys think? What was your favorite item? Thank you so much for watching. Bye.